Hello. I don't know about you, but every time I log into TikTok or anything along those lines, I get a stupid advert for one of these. Oh, this has revolutionised me washing my car. This is brilliant. This is the best wash brush I've ever had. So, I got one off Temu instead of the TikTok shop, because I'm not supporting the TikTok shop because they're bombarding me with adverts. So this was free off Temu. I'm not supporting Temu in any way, shape or form, just so you guys know. I didn't pay for this, so this is not going to be a biased review in any way, shape or form. Never used it before, and I'm going to wash my van with it. So, let's go. Right, so we're not even a minute in, and I've encountered my first problem. Doesn't quite reach the bottom of the bucket. Well, I suppose that's a good thing for not exposing the mop heads to grip. Here we go. I'm going to be honest, I didn't want to like this. I thought, no, it's one of them silly viral things that's going to make no difference to my life whatsoever. But yeah, it might be okay. Right, well that's washed that very, very quickly. I'm just going to dry it off with a quick drying towel. It's quite a good bit of kit, because the heads rotate and they've got like a bit of flex to them as well, so yeah, didn't want to like that, but I do. It took about 5 minutes. A little bit streaky, but I'm out in the sunshine, so what do you expect from these things? So yeah, do I recommend this wash brush? If you've got a van, then yeah. Would I want to put it on my car over there with my pride and joy? Probably not, no. But on the old van, yeah, keeps it shiny. Thank you for watching. I'll leave you to make your own mind up as to whether or not you'll use this on your own vehicle. So yeah, thanks for watching, you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.